Okay, we are drawing from assorted dumpster salvage treasures, and we're gonna fill this. Frugal friends, I have a lot of dumpster salvage cleaning supplies, and while my body is currently doing pretty dang good, I've been doing a lot of housekeeping. But as you can see here, the products I use regularly are just kind of piled here in the hallway. This is not good. I also have lots and lots of cleaning products, back stock, 99% of them dumpster salvaged. And I'd like to have like a backup of each of these items easily to hand, while the rest I organize better in the laundry room. I found a product. I paid for it with my own money. I will include an affiliate link, but I paid for this myself. Let's see if I can put it together. We have a couple of different things we're trying to accomplish here, or lenses through which we are judging this situation. Most of you know I have arthritis. In my hands, it is pretty bad. Can I put this together on my own? 2, is it good quality for the money? I am the frugal mama. It's gotta be good quality, but also at a price I can afford if I'm gonna recommend it. And finally, 3, is it going to do the job? Is it going to help me be more organized? Well, get more organized, stay more organized, and will it contribute to a better housekeeping, housewife situation? Come along, let's find out. Now you could just leave it like this, and it does come with these little nubs, these little plugs that you could put on the 4 corners of the base and leave it that way. But that's not what we're gonna do. It came with wheels. We're using the wheels. This will probably be the hardest part for me as someone with arthritis. Let's see if that does enough though. Oh, once it's in, it's a lot easier to push in. Okay, but I will still probably get my rubber mallet and kind of bump that in just a little bit more. Okay. I'm just going to note that it does come with extra pieces. There are plastic washers that you could use with these. They're not necessary, so I didn't bother, because if you are familiar with arthritis, especially in the hands, you'll know that every extra little movement or detail hurts. Okay. Anyway, it did come with some extras, and I do appreciate that, because you know how that can go. There are also the tools to tighten, and I am going to do that before we put anything in here. But first, let's just stand it up and look at it. Ta-da! And it will go right there, right by the sign that our wonderful friend, Rita Padilla, longtime viewer, friend of the channel, her boyfriend gave me this awesome zombie sign when I was out in Portland last year. I swung by, we had a lovely visit. Anyway, it's right here. I think this is the perfect spot for it. Now, I gotta tighten. Then we can fill it with our fabulous 99.9% dumpster salvaged cleaning products. Okay, this is going to be the most tedious part of the construction, and I absolutely could wait and have one of the kids or my husband help with this part, but I'm not going to, because I am reviewing this particular product through the lens of someone with pretty miserable arthritis and autoimmune disease, lots of inflammation. And so to get the full experience and be able to give a valid, honest, truthful review, which is what I always do, we got to do it. We got to do the work. Let's not make this more difficult than it needs to be. How about? Oh. Okay, once I got into a good rhythm, it really was not difficult to tighten the rest of these screws and bolts. So it took me, I think, 10 minutes to get it done. Yes, I am a little bit sore now. So I think before we fill this, I'm going to do some hand stretches, and I think I better get some coffee, you know? Okay, we are drawing from assorted dumpster salvage treasures, and we're going to fill this. I am not, however, planning to put every single dumpster salvaged cleaning supply that I've ever found in this cart. There's just not room. All that other stuff is kept on shelves in the laundry room, but I know we will need some of these items for sure. And it would be nice to have one or two little backups, but I do also want to save space, like down on the bottom, for our upcoming, stay tuned, steam cleaning machine that I purchased. And just like this cart, I did purchase it with my own money. It fits. I was worried it wouldn't, but it does. Who remembers this one? Found it in the college student housing dumpsters years ago. Same with 99.9% of the cleaning products that I will put on here. That's an extra, both of them full bottles from the college student housing dumpsters. Keep that in mind for this spring if you live near a college. I'm just so happy, Frugal friends. Oh, you see that? You are my sunshine. You guys are definitely my sunshine, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And it is because of you and your continued support and watching our videos and liking, and subscribing, that we are able to check out products like this, to use them, review them, and let you know our honest frugal mama thoughts. Yes, there are other things that need to be done in this house. One project at a time. This was a great start. Just think when I add the steam cleaner right there, right there. I'm so happy. Stay tuned for the steam cleaner. That is coming soon. Oh, have a wonderful day. No, I'm not doing any cleaning right now. That was enough. Like I said, if you've got the arthritis, you know. We got it done. I'm so happy. See y'all real soon.